Hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell to be alerted when our latest videos are posted. Today's project is replacing a TV with a fireplace insert in our motorhome. Good morning, folks. Today we are going to replace this TV with a fireplace. I'm going to take this TV out and put a new fireplace insert in right here. Well, I'm going to attempt to. We never did this before. This is not a how-to. This is a hopefully I can get it done video. Anyway, folks, we're going to get with it in just a few minutes, so stay tuned. I got it, honey. Okay, to take this TV out, what we got is 4 screws here. I don't know if you can see that with the light or whatever there, but there's 4 screws in there that I'm going to have to take out. One on each end there. Shouldn't be too much of a problem.
Okay.
Oops. There's one. That's 2 of them. 3 and 4. Okay, we have removed the TV from the cabinet area there, and we've brought the fireplace in. We've removed the front of the glass fireplace, and we're going to try to get her installed now. Okay, we have the fireplace installed, as you can see, operational. Now this is only on a 15 amp breaker, which that's what the instructions call for. And for a recap, we had to take 4 screws out of the back of the TV in order to take the TV out of the area there. On this one here, there was a back plate, and so all we did was screw the back plate to the wall. I beefed it up a little bit with more screws and some anchor bolts. On the bottom, there was another bolt, a bracket to screw in there, and we got that in. It's in good and tight. I do not think it's even going to rattle. Now, just to show you some different colors of the flames. There's some blue. And mixture. And blue and orange, it looks like.
Silver. There's a mixture.
And another mixture.
And the heat that comes out there, did you feel it, Gary?
No, then it is heated, and you got a real good heat. This is where the heat comes out up here. And so this should help us out in the winter time if we're camping, for getting the chill off of ourselves in here.
And looking nice in the meantime.
And another thing, to look nice too. It's going to be pretty. Well, folks, that's about it right now today for getting that insert done, the fireplace insert. We sure didn't need another TV. Wow. See that? Blue. Oh, green, blue. Huh, didn't know that was happening. And it only took about an hour 15 minutes to get this whole thing taken, the TV taken out, the fireplace installed, hooked up, and ready to go. It was a pretty simple job, folks.
And it's beautiful.
And Debbie says it's beautiful. I think she's talking about me.
That too.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I know it was a real short video. We appreciate y'all sticking around. Got any comments? Let me know down below in the comments section. Like and subscribe and share to your media. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay.
Good morning, folks. Today we are going to replace this television with a fireplace. So I'm going to take this TV out today. I'm going to put a new television. Stop.
Okay, go back. You want me to stop it?
That's all right.
Okay, take 2.